Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Want to use your comfortable PlayStation 4 controller to play Nintendo Switch games on Ryujinx? This updated 2025 guide shows you exactly how, making your PC gaming experience seamless and enjoyable. We will dive into the simplest method, ensuring you connect your DualShock 4 without any hassle. Get ready to game with precision and comfort as we walk through the straightforward process together. To get your PlayStation 4 controller working flawlessly with Ryujinx, DS4 Windows is absolutely essential. This fantastic, free tool acts as a bridge, making your PC recognize the DualShock 4 as a standard Xbox 360 controller. This translation is key for compatibility with most PC applications and emulators. Ensure you download the latest stable version from its official GitHub page, then install it before moving on to the next step. Now, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your PC using either a USB cable or Bluetooth, then open DS4 Windows. Once launched, you will want to create a new profile or simply edit an existing one to ensure it emulates an Xbox 360 controller. This is a crucial step for Ryujinx compatibility. Double-check that your DualShock 4 appears in the DS4 Windows main window and is actively being recognized as an Xbox controller before proceeding. With DS4 Windows actively running in the background and your controller recognized, launch Ryujinx. Head straight to the Options menu, then click Settings to open the configuration window. From there, select the Input tab and click Configure next to Player 1. In the new window, choose X Input Controller 0 or whichever X Input option appears from the Input Device dropdown. Now, you can easily map your buttons, often automatically. If you encounter any issues, like unresponsive controls, try restarting both DS4 Windows and Ryujinx. Always ensure DS4 Windows is launched and recognizing your PlayStation 4 controller before you open Ryujinx itself. Also, make sure no other conflicting controller software is running in the background. Staying updated with the latest versions of both Ryujinx and DS4 Windows will keep your setup optimized and your gaming experience smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.